Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make funnel cake with pancake mix without vanilla extract. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite pancake mix, 1 1/3 cups of water, and 4 cups of neutral oil for frying, like vegetable or canola oil. Also, grab a funnel with a small opening, a deep pot, and a slotted spoon. Having everything ready makes the process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now, let's create our delicious batter. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 2 cups of pancake mix with 1 1/3 cups of water. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and there are no lumps remaining. The batter should have a consistency similar to a thick pancake batter, easily drizzled but not too runny. Remember, avoid overmixing, as this can lead to a tougher funnel cake. A perfectly smooth batter is key for that classic texture. Next, it's time for the fun part, frying. Carefully heat 4 cups of neutral oil in a deep pot over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your finger over the funnel's opening, then pour about 1/2 cup of batter into it. Now, release your finger and drizzle the batter into the hot oil in a continuous circular motion, creating a lacy pattern. Fry for about 60 seconds on each side, until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once your funnel cake is perfectly golden, carefully remove it from the hot oil using a slotted spoon. Place it onto a wire rack set over a baking sheet to allow any excess oil to drain away. This step helps keep your funnel cake wonderfully crispy. For that classic, irresistible finish, generously dust your warm funnel cake with powdered sugar. Serve it immediately while it's still warm and fresh. Enjoy your delightful, homemade funnel cake, a truly simple and satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.